And now you guys are seeing me wear my hair down for the first time. Hey guys, so before we go into today's video about some French braids, I would like to inform you guys about some really cool stuff that I have on social media. So, if you go onto your Instagram, there is this new thing called IGTV, and I actually am on there as well because I have a new video posted. But while we're on the Instagram portion, as you all can see, I do have some posts on Instagram, so you guys should all go follow me at AJ_is_amazing. And you can see all my cool photos of all these other hairstyles I have done. And now, going to IGTV, if you go onto your main Instagram page where you have all your feed, if you go up into the top right corner, you'll find a little paper airplane, and right next to it you'll find a little TV with a little zigzag through it. Go ahead and click on that. That'll take you over to IGTV. Then if you look me up again under AJ_is_amazing, because my profile is going to be the same, then you can already see that I do have a video posted called The View to Our Hotel Room Part 1, and you guys can go ahead and watch it. There's also another way to access this video by if you go into IGTV itself, because it is an app. If you go under IGTV and also look me up, you can also find the video as well. I'm not going to be showing any of the video today for you guys. I want you all to go watch it yourselves, but it's pretty funny. And now, let's get into the video. Hello, people of the internet, and welcome back to a hair tutorial. So today I have these adorable little French braids for you guys. So yeah, this is just going to be a really cool hairstyle for summer. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so to start off this hairstyle, I do have my hair parted down the middle, and also have it parted down the middle and the back as well. So to start off these French braids, I'm just going to take out one section of the hair, and I have one already tied off to the side. And for those of you that have not seen my Dutch braiding video, it's kind of going to be like that, but a little bit different due to the way you're braiding, because since this is French braiding and not Dutch braiding, there is a different way to braid. But you are still going to do the same thing with the Dutch braid. So we're going to grab 3 sections of hair. Like so. And instead of crossing under like you will with the Dutch braid, you're actually going to be crossing over. So I'm going to take my right section, cross it over my middle strand. Then I'm going to take my left section, cross that over my middle strand. Then I'm going to do the same thing with the right section again. And now this time I'm just going to be adding hair, same with the Dutch braid. And I'm just going to be crossing over. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Where I'm going to add a small section of hair to the strand. Now I'm going to cross over the middle one. And we're just going to be repeating this process all the way down. Now that we have added all the hair from this side, now we're just going to continue to braid down without adding any hair. So as you guys may see, I have tips. And what you can choose to do at this point, if you have tips or just if you want to, you can choose to tie it off here by having some here to spare, or you can choose to do what I'm going to do, which is braid all the way down. You can also, if you choose to, have an elastic up over here, so then the rest of this is just off your hair hanging down and you still have the French braid in. And now to secure with an elastic. And this is one side done. And then we'll just be repeating the same thing on the other side. And there we go. So these are now the two French braids. And this is once again just another cool look for summer because it's a little bit different than the Dutch braids, and it also still looks pretty cool. Thank you all so much for watching. So have a great night, have a great morning, have a great week, have a great weekend, whatever's going on. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and comment down below any other video ideas you guys would like for me to do, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video.